Let me ask you something. What if I told you that the most powerful AI tool ever released can actually help you print money online? No, not in a scammy clickbait way. I'm talking about real scalable online income powered by GPT-5, the newest version of OpenAI's game-changing model. GPT-5 isn't just smarter. It's faster, more creative, and more human than anything we've seen before. And if you know how to use it right, this tool can literally become your full-time digital employee, working 24/7, generating income, content, products, and even managing entire businesses. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with GPT-5, from simple beginner methods to advanced automation strategies, from passive income streams to active side hustles. And yes, I'll break down how people are already using GPT-5 to earn $100, $300, even where you bar, $1,000 a day without being tech-savvy or needing to show their face online. Stick around because this might be the most valuable video you watch all year. Let's get started. First, what makes GPT-5 different? While GPT-4 was already powerful, GPT-5 is next level. It's multimodal, meaning it can handle text, images, audio, video, and code all in one flow. You can feed it a YouTube video and it'll summarize it. You can upload a contract and it'll rewrite it in plain English. You can show it a product photo and it'll generate an ad copy, landing page, and email sequence instantly. So imagine the power of this tool applied to online business. The best part, it's now available through tools like ChatGPT+, OpenAI's API, and even integrated in apps like Canva, Notion, and Zapier. That means you don't need to be a coder. Just give GPT-5 instructions like you're chatting with a human, and it does the hard work for you. Let's dive into the money-making strategies, starting with the easiest and scaling up to more advanced ones. Method 1. Sell AI-generated digital products. One of the fastest ways to start making money with GPT-5 is by selling digital products. Here's the method. 1. Use GPT-5 to generate content. Ebooks, guides, templates, planners, or printables. 2. Package them using Canva or Etsy mockup templates. 3. Sell them on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. Example, let's say you create a 30-day self-love journal. GPT-5 writes the prompts and inspirational content. You design the pages in Canva. Upload to Etsy. Price it at $9.99. If you get just 5 sales a day, that's $49.95 per day, or over $1,400 a month. Bonus, GPT-5 can also generate titles, SEO descriptions, and marketing copy for your listings. You're not just selling a file, you're building a passive income system. Method 2. Start a Faceless YouTube channel. AI plus YouTube is one of the highest leverage combinations in 2025. With GPT-5, you can script entire videos in minutes, create thumbnail ideas and titles, translate into multiple languages for global reach, use AI voiceovers to stay anonymous. Here's the system. Step 1. Pick a trending niche, like finance, motivation, or productivity. Step 2. Use GPT-5 to write 5 to 10-minute scripts around trending topics. Step 3. Use tools like Pictory, HeyGen, or Runway to create videos. Step 4. Upload consistently. Optimize titles, tags, and thumbnails. Once your videos start gaining traction, you earn through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And remember, GPT-5 is your 24/7 scriptwriter. You never run out of content. Method 3. Sell GPT-5 prompts. Believe it or not, people are making thousands by simply selling clever prompts. What's a prompt? It's just a smart instruction that gets GPT-5 to produce something valuable. Examples: resume rewrites, cold email generators, SEO blog writers, ad headline creators. You can list these prompts on sites like PromptBase, Prompt Hero, or even Fiverr. Let's say you create a high-converting Facebook ad prompt and sell it for $12. $100 downloads, want $200. Create a collection of 10 prompts and bundle it as a Marketing Pro prompt pack. Now you're building a digital asset that sells while you sleep. GPT-5 can even help you write prompts better than you could on your own. Method 4. Offer AI freelance services. If you want fast cash, go where people are already paying, like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. But instead of offering traditional writing or design work, you offer AI-powered services using GPT-5 examples. Website copywriting, product descriptions, social media content planning, email sequences for businesses. GPT-5 can handle large chunks of work in minutes. That means you deliver faster, charge competitive prices, and scale without burnout. Tip: create a Fiverr gig titled, "I will be your AI-powered copywriter" with GPT-5. Add real examples. Use GPT-5 to create a portfolio. Promote it using TikTok, Reddit, or Medium articles about AI. Tip: create a Fiverr gig titled, "I will be your AI-powered copywriter" with GPT-5. Add real examples. Use GPT-5 to create a portfolio. Promote it using TikTok, Reddit, or Medium articles about AI gigs. Method 5. Build a niche newsletter with. GPT-5 newsletters are booming, and GPT-5 can help you build one from scratch, even if you've never written a single email before. Here's the strategy. 1. Pick a profitable niche: tech, AI, side hustles, personal growth. 2. Use GPT-5 to write 3-5 high-value issues. Upfront. 3. Set up a simple Substack or Behave page. 4. Promote it on Reddit, X, Twitter, or Medium. 5. Use GPT-5 to automate. Growth strategies. Once you have subscribers, monetize with affiliate links, sponsorships, or even premium versions. Example: AI Hustle Weekly, a GPT-5-powered newsletter on how to make money with AI tools. Within 90 days, it can hit 1,000 subscribers. At just 5 months, that's $5 a month in recurring revenue. Method 6. Sell micro SaaS powered by GPT-5. If you're ready to go big, this is it. GPT-5 allows you to build micro SaaS tools with no coding. Using tools like Bubble, Softer, or TypeDream plus GPT-5 API, you can create AI resume builders, Instagram, caption generators, AI product naming tools, email subject line testers. These tools take a few days to build and can generate $201 a month if marketed well. Offer a freemium model, charge for credits or upgrades, and scale. GPT-5 does the heavy lifting. You focus on marketing. Method 7. Offer GPT-5 automation services. To small businesses, most local or online businesses don't know how to use GPT-5 yet, but they're desperate for automation. You can step in and charge for setting up automated customer support, AI chatbots. For websites, AI lead qualification, email, responders, and social media replies. Use GPT-5, plus tools like Zapier, Make, Com, or Custom GPT. Package your offer as AI automation for coaches, and consultants charge $300 to $200 per setup depending on the complexity. Method 8. Create an AI course or ebook using GPT-5. The demand for learning. GPT-5 is exploding. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to organize information and teach beginners.
GPT-5 will help you.
Create the full outline, write lessons or chapters. Design visuals with AI art, tools, create quizzes and summaries. Upload your course to platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy. Promote via Medium, TikTok, or an email list. Example: make money with GPT-5 in 30 days. On the 47 course, sell 200 copies, 1/9, 400. Method 9. Build a print on demand. Brand using GPT-5. You can use GPT-5 to generate brand names and slogans, write product descriptions, create ad copy, and emails, generate niche content for Instagram. Then combine it with print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Gelato. Niche example: motivational t-shirts for remote workers. GPT-5 gives you 100 quote ideas in one prompt. Use Canva to design, upload, market on TikTok. It's a scalable model, and GPT-5 removes 80% of the guesswork. Method 10. License your GPT-5 workflows. Finally, as you master GPT-5, you'll build systems, client onboarding flows, sales email series, SOP generators. Package these as templates, workflows, or Notion systems. Sell access to them. License them to other creators. Use Gumroad, Standstore, or Ko-fi to sell. Example: my 10-month AI workflow for freelancers, price $99.9. Sell 100 copies, boom, $900. Final words: we are living in a gold rush, but this time, the tool is GPT-5 and the opportunity is global. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to be a YouTuber. You just need to take action with the tools in your hands. If you're serious about making money online, don't just watch AI content. Use AI to create. So pick one method from this video. Set it up, test it. Let GPT-5 be your partner, not just your assistant. Because the future belongs to those who move fast and create smart. And GPT-5 is the smartest partner you could ask for. I'll see you at the top.